Hello everybody and welcome back to another Abigail Page Designs Disney College Program vlog. I am here on my one day off. It is currently Tuesday and I am just about to head to the gym. I got up around noon today because I worked until 1:30 last night. And yeah, I'm gonna do an upper body workout today, and then I have some, typical just tasks that you put off when you're working to do, like laundry and some computer work and stuff to do. But my roommate is also going to make sure that we have some time to go to the pool together because we both have the same day off, which is like rarity. I mean, that like never happens. So yeah, it's gonna be a good day, and I just wanted to take you guys along for like a typical day off with me. They're normally try to balance productive and fun, and I'm gonna go smash a workout, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Pool time! Alrighty everybody, I got ready for the day and now I'm just heading to the pool. I brought my laptop and everything, coffee, water, all the essentials. I also brought an apple and some strawberries, and I'm just gonna get some computer work done and make it a productive, sunshiny afternoon. My laundry is currently in the dryer, so then when I get home it'll be laundry time and probably more editing and more computer work, because you gotta do what you gotta do. But yeah, I'm just gonna try my best to enjoy the sunshine. It's finally warm here. I feel like such a baby saying that. It has been in the 70s, but now it's officially 80 degrees out today, which is a little warmer than it has been, and it feels so good. And yeah, I'm just loving it. It's crazy how fast your body acclimates to the warm weather. Like 50 degrees is freezing to me, I'm not gonna lie. So the warm weather is much appreciated, much needed, and the sunshine is just the icing on the cake. everybody, it is a bit later in the day and I am enjoying a nice bowl of watermelon and editing. That is what I've been doing for the past, no joke, 2.5 hours. YouTube is a labor of love, everybody. So if you ever just want to get that experience for yourself, I strongly encourage that you try it. Just try it for like, I don't know, even a month. It is so fun and so rewarding, but it does take a lot of time between the filming and the editing, and it's just a lot. But yeah, I've just been editing and some super exciting news, guys. I totally forgot about this today, but guess what I registered for? I registered for my first ever marathon, and I am so excited. It's gonna be this summer, July 27th to be exact, and it's gonna be on Grand Island, up where I'm from, and I am so excited. Oh my gosh, it's an expense, obviously, to sign up for a marathon, so I needed to make sure that I had saved up enough to do it, and I finally did. So I took the plunge and registered today, and yeah, so I'm so excited to start training for that. I feel like this has been a long time coming, and I'm ready. I'm ready for the next challenge. So yeah, I'll have to keep you updated on all of that. If you would love to come along for the ride and kind of see like what I'm gonna do is training wise and all of that, please let me know below, because I would be more than willing to share it. I'm super passionate about running, and I'm just so excited to share everything with you guys. Other than that, I did some budgeting and editing. Oh, I did do the floors too, and I filmed it. So yeah, I did have to clean up the apartment a little bit too. That's just your typical day off. And I folded my laundry. Forgot to film that, but you know, it's folding laundry. Not much going on there. And yeah, it's just been a super chill day off. When my roommate gets home, we are going to play games and watch a movie. So I'll film some little clips of that, and then probably close the vlog off before I go to bed. But I'm so glad that I got to take you guys along today on like a day off. It's my one day off, so I'm really just trying to treasure it and like not push myself to do anything I don't want to do, because yeah, it's just, I am sure all of my work people can relate out there, but when you're working that much, it gets very difficult for you to you don't know what to do with yourself when you aren't working. So I was kind of explaining that to my mom today. Like, I love my job and I love my location, I love everything, but I already can feel myself like struggling to find things to do when I'm not working, and that's a little scary to me. So I really just wanted to make sure that I made it a priority to like go to the pool today and, you know, just do all the things that I love to do on a day off, because I don't get to do that every day. So alrighty, well, I'm going to finish editing this video because I'm just in the zone, guys. So close, so close. Now all I gotta do is add the music, and yeah, we'll go from there. But I will catch up with you guys a little bit later.